Hello everyone, myself CA Ashwini Sonone, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, limited liability partnership. So let's begin. Limited liability partnership, that is LLP, is governed by Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 and it has come into force from 1st April 2009. As the name suggests, limited liability partnership is a partnership business in which the liability of the partners is limited. Why did LLP came into force? LLP came into force because the normal partnership act had some disadvantages and under private limited company there were too many compliances. That's why a hybrid structure, that is limited liability partnership, was formed, which consists of benefits of private limited company and the flexibility of partnership. The major benefit of LLP is limited liability of partners. Now let's understand this in more detail. Suppose two partners have contributed up to 1 lakh capital and purchased assets for the firm. The firm has also taken some loan from bank and has outstanding payable to creditors. Now, where does limited liability come into picture? If the liability are to be settled, the assets of the firm can be sold to settle the liability. If the liability is rupees 2 lakhs and the assets are worth rupees 1 lakh, then only 1 lakh can be settled. And personal property or personal assets of the individual partners won't be attached to settle the remaining liability of the firm. The second benefit of limited liability partnership form of legal entity is it has perpetual succession, as in the case of private limited company or limited company. Perpetual succession means the death or retirement of any partner of the firm won't destroy the legal status of the LLP. If any partner is retired or is removed for any other reasons, new partner can be appointed and the LLP can be continued under the existing same name. The other major benefits of LLP form of business entity are no limit to the number of partners, foreign partners are allowed, higher preference is given by government agencies, vendors, corporate customers to LLP form of business entity compared to traditional partnership firms or to proprietary concern. LLP form of business entity has good creditability and recognition in the market as it is registered form of business entity with the central government. Now let's have a comparative view of partnership form of business entity and LLP form of business entity. Under partnership form of business entity, the partners have unlimited liability. Their personal assets can be attached. If one partner is incapable to pay from his personal assets, then the other partners are jointly liable for his share. In LLP form of business entity, partners are not personally liable and also they are not liable for the mistakes of other partners. The compliances under partnership form of business entity are less and the compliances under LLP form of business entity are slightly more. The income tax rate applicable for both types of entity is 30%. Audit is applicable under LLP when the capital contribution crosses 25 lakhs or the turnover crosses 40 lakhs rupees. The governing document in case of partnership firm is the partnership deed. In the case of LLP, the governing document is the LLP agreement. The number one and the major difference between both these forms are under private limited company, the compliances are hefty and the penalties are also hefty. Under limited liability form of entity, the compliances are comparatively less and it is manageable for a small new startup company. The governing document in case of private limited company are the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. In the case of LLP, the governing document is the LLP agreement. The other major difference of private limited company and LLP form of business entity is under private limited company, the ownership and management are different. The owners are the shareholders and the managers are the board of directors. In the case of LLP, the designated partners are the owners as well as the managers of the LLP. Under private limited form of entity, audit is applicable from the first year itself. Even if the company is in loss, audit is applicable. This is not the case in the case of LLP form of business entity. The compliances applicable under LLP are as follows: income tax, audit if the threshold is crossed, Form 8, Form 11, and Director KYC. The compliances applicable under LLP form of business entity are comparatively lower to a private limited company, and the recognition offered is higher than a partnership form of entity. Hence, LLP is currently preferred by most of the business ventures. If you are planning to start a new business venture or convert your existing venture, then do give a thought for LLP form of business entity. If any kind of assistance is required, then feel free to contact on the email address given below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, then please do subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thank you.